Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel, Sugar myasiachambers, and I'm back with another video for you guys. I'm back with a different kind of video today. Today I did basically like how I applied my Glam Doll eyelashes. This is in the style Exotic. These lashes kind of gave me a little bit of trouble because I didn't have like, I didn't have like much hair glue, so it kind of gave me like a little bit of trouble, but it was okay. Throughout the video, I didn't really just speak. I really just showed you guys like how I just really applied them. And it's just 1, 2, 3 easy. I really feel like everything is just like self-explanatory. Like you could just visualize and see how I did it. I'm not really like a talking kind of person. So I just showed you guys like how I just did it. So hopefully you guys can learn from that. But that's just how I showed you guys how I did it. These are in the style Exotic. These will be on my website. I will leave the link in the description box below. Without further ado, don't forget to turn your post notifications on, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because we are going up from here, period. I use hair glue, by the way, guys. But since that usually, my hair glue is gone because of all these protective styles that I'm trying to do, I use one of the combs that I do not use and just use like the tail just to apply it on there. Usually I just so basically how I do it is so usually I just